Cartesian plane. A Cartesian plane, named after the mathematician René Descartes, is a plane with a rectangular coordinate system that associates each point in the plane with an ordered pair x, y. The plane is called the Cartesian plane, or the coordinate plane, or the xy plane. Coordinate axis. The coordinate plane has two mutually perpendicular axes which are number lines. The horizontal axis is called the x-axis. The vertical axis is called the y-axis. The point where both the axes intersect is called the origin. The horizontal line xox dash is the x-axis and the vertical line yoy dash is the y-axis. The origin is at 0 division on the x-axis and 0 division on the y-axis. The positive numbers are labeled on the directions OX and OY. So, OX and OY are called the positive directions of the x-axis and the y-axis respectively. Similarly, negative numbers are labeled on the directions OX dash and OY dash. So, OX dash and OY dash are called the negative directions of the x-axis and the y-axis respectively. Quadrants. The lines xox dash and yoy dash divide the plane into 4 equal parts. Each part is called a quadrant. The quadrants xoy, x dash oy, x dash oy dash, xoy dash are called the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant respectively. Coordinates of a point. Distance of a point from y-axis is called the x-coordinate and the distance from x-axis is called the y-coordinate. X, y are called the coordinates of a point in the Cartesian plane. If P of xy is any point in the Cartesian plane, then x is called the x-coordinate or the abscissa and y is called the y-coordinate or the ordinate. Coordinates of origin are 0, 0. The coordinates of a point on the x-axis are in the form of x, 0, and that of a point on the y-axis are 0, y.
Thanks for watching the video. Please visit our website theOpenBook.in.